Welcome to JAYA Tutorials. It's the third lesson under Learn Excel series, and this lesson is specially dedicated for intermediate users. So today we are going to talk everything about formatting data using Home tab tools. But since there are so many things to discuss under Home tab tools, I thought of breaking this lesson to two parts. So this will be part 1 of the lesson. If you have followed my earlier lessons, you would have a fair knowledge about Excel by now. If you have not done so, please watch lesson number 1 and 2 as well. That will be helpful if you are a beginner. Hope you can remember, in lesson number 1 I told you that the tools in this Home tab are very much sufficient to do almost all the tasks that we normally do with Excel. The Home tab has all the tools for formatting data, which is our topic today, and so we are gonna basically cover the Home tab tools under this lesson, and today we will cover tools relating to clipboard, font and alignment under part 1. Please watch the entire lesson so that you can learn all the tools in Home tab. We will start from here. You see this cut button. This gives the option to cut and paste the data. I select this cell and then click on cut button. You see the selected cell is highlighted. Then go and click where we want to paste the data and go to paste option here and click on it. Yes, this will move the original data to the new cell. I'll undo what we have done. You learn how to use undo button and redo button in our first lesson. Now I'm going to show you the keyboard shortcut for cut and paste. Select the cell, then click and hold Control button and then press letter X simultaneously like this. The cut command is activated now, and I select this cell and click and hold Control button and then press letter V simultaneously to paste it. Okay, done. I'll reverse it using undo button. Then copy and paste. Similar. Select the cell, then click on copy button here, then select where we want to paste it, then click on paste button. Or the shortcut keys, select the cell, Ctrl C to copy, then Ctrl V to paste. There's no effect to the original data since we just copied it. Also, in the first lesson I have told you that we can do this by right clicking the mouse and selecting cut or copy option as we want. I click copy option here and again right click and select paste option on required cell like this. Okay, I'll undo this now since I actually don't want to copy data like this at the moment. Then I'm gonna use these three icons here. You can see letter B, I and U here. I select this title, then click on B here to bold it. Then click on I to make it italic. Then click on U to underline it. Now you know the use of these icons, but let me reverse this and show you the shortcut keys as well. Select the cell, then the shortcut for bold is Ctrl B. C. Then shortcut for italic is Ctrl I. C. And for underline is Ctrl U. Earlier I skipped this tool, Format Painter, and now I can show you its use. This will help in copying a particular formatting we have done in a cell or a selection, not the data. Let me show you. I select this cell, then click on Format Painter. Now the formatting in this particular cell is copied, and you can see a picture of a brush also appearing along with the mouse pointer. Let's say I want to apply the same formatting to this cell. So now all I have to do is just to click on that cell. See, that cell also got formatted like the original one. I'll undo this. I want to keep the titles bold, so I'll make them bold like this. Okay, that's it. Now I select this title and will show you the use of these two tools here. This one has different font styles to select from. I will choose Arial Black. See, my font got changed, and this tool is to set the font size. We can click on this down arrow and select a size for our font like this, or we can directly type the required font size here and then press enter. See, it got changed. Or else even more easily we can use these two buttons either to increase or decrease the font size like this. Okay, anyway, I prefer size 13 for my title, so I type 13 here and press enter. Okay, next I'm gonna use this icon. It's all about applying borders. First I select this area, click and hold the mouse and drag like this, then go to borders, and you see there are so many styles here. You can try each one of them and see how they look like. I'm gonna select this one, all borders. Next I select this titles, go to this icon. We can fill the selected cells with colors using this fill color tool. By default, yellow color is highlighted or selected. If you want, we can apply it by just clicking on this icon itself, or we can click on this small arrow by the side of it to find more colors. I will select this color. Similarly, this icon is used to color the font. Red is the default color. I will change the color of this title. Select it, then go and click on arrow here and select this color. Okay, right. So far we have covered tools related to clipboard and font. Now we are going to discuss tools related to alignment. Meanwhile, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do not forget to click the subscribe button below this video so that you can easily follow my tutorials. If you are already subscribed, thank you very much for that. Okay, I'll expand this row to show you the use of these tools. I select this cell and go here. You see there are 6 alignment styles and one is already selected. Using these 3 icons in the first row, we can change the alignment vertically. Keep an eye on the selected cell. Now it's at the bottom of the cell. Actually, that's the default style, and that's why this icon bottom alignment is already selected. Now I will click on this middle alignment icon. See, our text came to middle position, and when I click top alignment, it goes to the top of the cell. Using these 3 icons here, we can change alignment vertically. I will take this to middle, and then we'll go and change the alignment horizontally using the tools in the second row: middle, right, left. Okay, that's it. If we look here, we see that the full text is not visible in these cells. One thing I can do is to adjust the column size like this. Click here and drag like this. You learn adjusting column and row sizes in our lesson number 1 in detail. Now this look okay, but here, since my column do not have lengthy figures, I just don't want 2 wide columns like this. So this is how I'm going to handle this problem. I need to keep tiny column while having the full text displayed in the title. I select the titles, then go to this icon, orientation. Click on it and you see different orientation styles for the text. I will select the first option. See, now the angle of the text got changed, and all I have to do is to adjust the row size a little bit like this. Okay. Next, I'm going to select the item labels here and then go to these 2 icons here. One is for decrease indent and the other is for increase indent. Let's see how we can adjust the indent. See, we can adjust it as we want. I will keep it like this. Then we are going to wrap the text using this icon. You see, in this cell, the full text men's t-shirt is not visible here because the cell is too small. What I can do is select the cell, then go and click this wrap text icon. The full text became visible by adjusting the height of the row, but no change to column width. Now I'm going to use merge and center tool. I want to merge and center this title, and I want to merge all these 4 cells. So I select these 4 cells, then go and click merge tool. You see those 4 cells merge into one big cell, and our title came to center position. If you think this lesson was helpful, please don't forget to like the video, and please do subscribe to my channel if you have not done yet. Click the bell icon as well so that you will get notification of future lessons. If you have any queries or anything to say, please write in the comment section below. I am here to help you. That's it for part 1 under formatting data using Home tab tools. We'll meet again in part 2 of this lesson. Please don't miss it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.